just don't like it there. I don't know. My good friend Eddie Shiro made this for me. He makes hand painted signs. Made this for me. I just don't know where to put it without it falling. Ooh, kind of like. We're gonna leave it there. Good afternoon, YouTube. Starting off the day super late. It's like 3:20 in the afternoon. Currently waiting on my boy Ryan to get here. I'm starting a new project with him, which you guys I think are gonna love. So it's gonna be going on this channel, but waiting for him to get here. In the meantime, let's do some Q&A. Let's see. So I took to Instagram and I put this picture up. Said YouTube Q&A, drop a question. So we finna answer some questions. I'm gonna go based off this one. I have one on Facebook I need to answer, and then I did another one that I need some questions. Okay, Luan Go Giorgio. I swear I hope I pronounced that right. So I can't decide. This is the spam post. Cool. What do you do? The good Barber John said, what you do is great. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, my goal is to not be in the shop as much. I want to be doing more film production like stuff, but for barbering still. And then my own personal stuff that I want to shoot. And doing a lot more education. So less time in the shop, more time out there helping people develop their crafts and helping them network. Yeah. What made me want to become a barber? A lot of things. I really like hair. I've always liked hair. It's something I could work for myself, and there's no limitation. I guess is how you would say that. There's no like limit to how far I can go with barbering. And then I was watching YouTube, and I stumbled across a whole bunch of barber videos that like inspired me. Like they showed me the other side of the world other than the shop, and I was like, I want to do that. So I became a barber. Where do you learn to cut at? I've been cutting for a long time, off and on. And then I take a lot of classes too. And then obviously I went to barber school too. But I would say most of my education my skill set and stuff like that comes from taking advanced education classes at the expos, actually going to these classes that are held at shops and stuff. Continued education is a huge factor in my success. That was asked by It's Ansar. Italian Stallion 5, at what age did you first cut hair at, and what was your favorite clippers then versus now? Okay, when I first started cutting hair, I was in 8th grade, and my mom got tired of taking me to the barbershop or taking me to go get a haircut and stuff like that. She got tired of taking me to go get a haircut, so she bought me a pair of clippers and said, figure it out. So I figured it out. Back then I was using some Conairs, I think. Some of the ones with the color chart on them. They were sick. I loved those clippers because that's what I learned on. And I would still use them to today. Maybe I'll try to find a pair. And my favorite clippers now are the wall cordless seniors. For sure. Hands down. Hope that answered it. Top 5 clippers in order. Ooh, that's tough. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do clippers because you didn't ask for trimmers. Number 1, wall cordless senior. Number 2, corded wall senior. Number 1, cordless wall senior. Number 2, magic clip. Number 3, Oster fast feed. I'm not putting masters on my list, so that y'all can just let that one go. Dang, I don't know. I can only list 3. I only list 3. That's my top 3. I can't think of 5 clippers that I would like put in my top 5. I have some in my mind, but they're not my favorites. Okay, so how much do I charge for a haircut? My haircuts start at $25 and go up from there. Average ticket is about $35, $40. So, where do you see yourself as a person? And sorry, I need to start saying people's names. The person who asked the top 5 clippers in order was Sudi98, I think that's how you say your name. If I'm wrong, I apologize. Complain about it in the comments. Victor Barber asks, how much should I charge for a haircut? Andrew Paulson 22, where do you see yourself as a person and also your business going in the next 5 to 10 years? I kind of answered that, and then where do I see myself in 5 years? So I'm just gonna reference that answer. Most static. I'm just gonna say that. Underscore. How long does it take you as a barber to learn someone's hair, aka their head contours, the nuisance of cutting an unknown head to known? I wouldn't say it takes me too long, just based on the things that I apply for a haircut. I apply basic steps, principles to each haircut, which kind of eliminates that nuisance of guessing and stuff like that, and knowing the distance between your parietal ridge and your occipital bone, and paying attention to growth patterns. Now, granted, there are some things where I have to get used to. People's hair is weird all the time. So I would say maximum 2 haircuts. Max 2. If their hair is really crazy, 3. That's pushing it though. That's like they got a cowlick here, 150 of them here, so that's that one. Now let's go to the other questions that we have here. AAA Cuts. Do a detailed video with the scissor work that you did when you parted the hair in 3 parts on your YouTube, please. You got it. Andrew.Turnez.13. How did you get so good? Also add me at Andrew.Turnez.13. I added you already, so to respond to your question, how did I get so good? I take a lot of classes. I don't say took, I say take, because I still take classes to this day. So I take as many classes and I watch as many videos as I can. I try to outlearn everybody. That's how I got so good. Okay, Trap House Cuts. Have you ever cut someone bad with your razor? No. I have not. Define bad. I nicked a guy with like a 1/2 inch nick under his jawline, like right here. But it stopped bleeding in like 45 seconds. I have a feeling somebody's gonna try to come get a haircut right now. Sorry, we're closed, brosif. Oh, nope, never mind. He's going somewhere else. Okay, so I would say no, but I have like cut someone. I also took a lot of time before. Actually, that's not true either. Yes. No. Yeah, I've never cut anybody. How do you EAOE90? How do you like the Braun 9? 100% worth it, or do you often still use the Andis? The Braun Series 9 is my only shaver that I use on everything. For the people that say the Andis get closer, you need to stretch the skin more for your Braun and tilt your shaver head and just use the shaver head. Don't rely on both flat surfaces. Curve it up. Use that. You'll get just as close. So no, I just use Brauns. Absolutely 100%. Still love them. I still recommend you go buy them. Barber Life 617. You be blazing, and I be watching your YouTube video, major channel. Okay, I can't read. You be blazing. I don't know what that means. And I be watching your YouTube channel, major key. Appreciate it. Hashtag Barber-student. Appreciate you watching the channel. I'm not sure by what you mean by you be blazing. I have something that I think you're asking or saying something. I don't know how to answer unless you blatantly ask that question. But yeah. So appreciate you watching the channel. Much love. Appreciate that. Joe Walter 79. All-time favorite clipper. I'm gonna say the corded wall senior just because it's been around longer. But the cordless wall seniors are my current all-time favorite clipper. But favorite clipper of all time is definitely the wall senior. Spider-Man _ Spidey Boy. What's a good strategy for the state test, the state barber test? study, study, study. Even if you think it's something small that you like, that you can just overlook at, study that too. I know each state's different. However, just study, study, study. The first time I took mine, I failed. The second time I passed with like an amazing score. But it's because I read how they structured the questions and I understood how to study then. I can't really explain to you how it goes because each state is different, but what I did was I just studied my ass off. I went to the state board office, I brought them all coffee, and I was there an hour and a half before they opened, and I studied for an hour and a half before I even went in to take my test the second time, and I brought them all coffee for their good karma, and I passed with like crazy amounts. I think I got like a 96. I think that's it for those. Well, I guess that concludes the Q&A. If you guys have any more questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I will get to them after I post this video. Ryan is here. We're going to kind of brainstorm, collab, and get to shooting our stuff, so let's get it. Okay, just finished up shooting a little video with Ryan there. Follow him at Clipper Fingers. I almost said .com, but it's not .com. It's just at Clipper Fingers. Anyways, so now I'm gonna clean up the video shoot. Try to talk Ryan into cutting my hair. We'll see how it goes. Here's a little time lapse of what the video shoot looked like. Pause this song, get copyrighted. Oh, the flag, anything, bro. Okay, so Ryan did end up cutting my hair. I made him late for his movie, but oh well. Because this fade is ridiculous. Ooh! Ooh! Y'all don't even know. I feel so damn good. My girl's lucky she's at work, otherwise she'd be in trouble. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, put some coconut oil on the tattoo so we can make a pop, do what it do. But this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Peace.